Hey guys, welcome back. Today's little video, I've been doing some really short ones for you guys, is a little bitty Ulta haul. Now guys, I have not ordered anything from Ulta in a while, so I needed a few, what do you call it? It's like a few of your normal things. You need to restock up on some stuff, your normal goodies that you usually get. And then there was a few things in here that I wanted to try that I've had my own. I couldn't find it at my local store, so I finally broke down and got it on Ulta. First and foremost, guys, how many times have I said I needed to get a backup of one of my favorite eye brushes? So this is the Morphe 433, and apparently it is sealed. So there we go. There she is. That's one of my absolute favorite eye brushes. She is right here. You see me use it on almost every video. Look at that nice and clean one now compared to the dirty one. So now Shannon has a backup. So that was the only brush I ordered. I got a couple things from e.l.f. My tinted moisturizer. Mine is around this vanity somewhere. I use this all the time during the summer. It's my go-to during the summer. And I'm in the shade Nude, so I got one of those. These are only like $3, guys, $3. And I've noticed e.l.f. has not been doing their 50% off sale like they used to. It was like once a month. They would do 50% off select items. I mean, it wasn't the new stuff, but you could get like the older stuff at 50% off. And I've been noticing they've not done that in a while. So I just finally broke down and got it from Ulta because I can get my points from Ulta. Two other things from e.l.f. that I have been wanting to try and couldn't find it anywhere, of course, is the Poreless Putty Primer. Everybody went apeshit over this when it came out. Jeffrey done his video. Everybody went bonkers. And it sold out. You couldn't find it anywhere. I finally got it. I was like, I'm just gonna break down and get it. So let me see what this thing is. So there it is. It's supposed to be a good, not necessarily a dupe, but a very good alternative, more affordable alternative for the Tatcha primer. So we're just going to take a little bit with my fingernail, just a teeny tiny bit, because my makeup is already done, and I want to see what it feels like, because I've seen some reviews where people said it felt greasy. It doesn't feel greasy to me. It feels slick. It doesn't feel greasy. You know what I'm saying? It does not look greasy. It's right here. I'm going to have a coughing fit, of course. Okay, let's keep going. Maybe I won't. The other thing was the 16-hour camo concealer. I finally killed off the Fit Me concealer, so I'm going to be using this one. I'm giving this one a go. You guys know Horrect packaging, getting into it, so heck with it. This one's had a lot of good reviews too. I got the shade Light Beige. That looks really light, guys. Maybe I should have went a little deeper. That is a jumbo doe foot. And I'm going to put just a little on the back of the hand right over top of that putty primer. That's a huge container. Does it... How much did it say it had in there? It is 0.203 fluid ounces. So, just tapping that out over top of that putty primer. Coverage looks good. You guys know I don't go heavy coverage, so just a few little drops will probably do me, but look at that. Okay, you go with your bad self, e.l.f. Alright, what else is down in here? I'm throwing boxes away as I undo them. You guys know e.l.f. primer was my go-to. It was my go-to. I was having some issues with the e.l.f. primer, the eyeshadow primer. So then I bought the Ulta Beauty primer. It's okay. I mean, if you're just wearing your makeup for a few hours, coming home and taking it off, this will do the job for you. But I was still having creasing. So Miss Emily Noel, she uses this all the time. You hear me talk about her. This is one of her ride and die go-to eyeshadow primers. The Milani. I think this was $6. So that's what I got. I had debating like the Primer Potion and the higher end ones, and I thought, you know, Miss Emily uses this one, and she uses it in almost every video, so if it's good enough for her, I'm going to try it. So there is my Milani primer. Now the other two things I got because I wanted to hit free shipping, of course, and I had a $10 coupon, and I had some points. I got the Do of a Kind ColourPop highlighters, because I don't really have many of their highlighters. And so I got a Super Shock Pearlized in Lunch Money. Lunch Money, if you're watching this, this is your highlighter. Lunch Money. And then this one is Might Be. So let's check those out. I don't want to mess them up. Look how pretty. Oh, they're so creamy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look, I'm going to go right over top of that that concealer. Shannon can't talk. And this one is Lunch Money. Again, this one looks like it came up just a hair, probably in shipping. I mean, it was bubbled up just a hair. And where it's so soft, I just pressed it back down. So, look at that. That is ridiculous, crazy, pretty. I'm looking for a brush. How does these do with a brush? Do they do okay with a brush? I don't have a whole lot of highlight on. Or do they do better with like the fingertip? Okay, there's a brush. And here's the fingertip. Oh, that's pretty. All right, right here. But it blends out really nice with the finger. So, I mean, it just depends on how intense you want it. So there is the two highlighters I got. Let me grab a tissue. And then, you guys know I love my blush palette from BH Cosmetics. So this is a Morphe blush palette. I will never need any more blush. Said nobody. Alright, so and it's bubble wrap. Please do not be broken. Please do not be broken. I've not opened this. She is not broken. Look how pretty that is. I have nothing like this color. Nothing. I really don't have anything similar to these two colors, I don't think. That's pretty. Clean off my brush, and I'm going into this provocative. Oh yeah, this is one you'll need to kind of dab off on the back of the hand unless you want really intense color. But wow. It'll give you the color. So I'm going to go ahead and take that little clingy film out, and I'm not going to swatch all these for you, but there they are. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to swatch Babe, after I just said I wasn't going to, in MUA, and cleaning my fingers off because I want them to be the true swatch, and Beat. And I want to put those right there. That's pretty. I know Morphe's been kind of a, you know, in and out of this, that, and the other with Miss Hill and her launch. Does Morphe own her launch? Does Morphe not own her launch? I mean, that's good. I mean, whatever the situation is going on there, that's a good little palette. And I got a little sample pack. So let's see what's in the sample pack. This is Juice Beauty Photo Pigment Illuminating Primer sample. Okay. A Smith & Colt Black Drop Mattifying Face Primer. Hey. Smashbox Photo Finish. I do like. There's another little sample and just a little advertisement. Tarte Double Duty Best Tape Hydrating Primer. Ooh, I do want to try that. So I got some primers to try out. I'm going to tuck them right up here in my top drawer. So that was everything I got in this teeny tiny little haul. I've been trying my best not to like buy a lot of stuff I don't need. So like I said, some of the stuff was backups and some of it was to replace. There it is. Remember I said I had it laying out here somewhere. Backups and to replace things I had ran out of. So the only thing that's like I'm not using right at, you know, like to replace something that was the highlighters and the blush palette. Alright guys, that is it for this little haul. I can't wait to try this concealer and the primer. I can't wait to try that. But there's my swatches. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, liking, all that fun stuff. As always, I will catch you on the next one.